14 there.
Is it? Yes, it's 14. I was about to say 15. Oh my goodness. I was saying 13 earlier. Alright.
So,
which one?
this is the ammonium. Yeah.
Red River or?
We start with the Red River. We took that first, yeah. Yeah, there is the nitrate which 0.6 milliliters.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, I remember that. Yeah. We did that one.
Then they say A and B.
Says, well, after you zero it out,
Okay, to zero.
then 4 drops of the first reagent, and you'll just replace the cap and mix it, and then the second reagent, and then mixing again. So just mixing every time after adding a reagent.
So 0, 8. Put it here and placing the ball there. Okay, and now we take it out. A first.
Yep.
How many drops?
4 drops.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then shake it.
Yep. It says mix the solution. It doesn't give a time or anything, so I'm sure a quick shake would be sufficient. Then 4 drops. After mixing, should have 3 minutes and 30 seconds on the timer.
Or just put the timer on.
Timer. Yeah.
We'll let it go, and then we can
Good.
start this one for this.
All right.
And that's going to get 0.6. That won't have it.
Oh, okay. 0.6 and then so like 10 drops or something?
That was for the phosphate. This is the powder.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
One of these out. 1 or 2. Did you see the English slough? Not English slough. No, this is Kelly's English coolie on the way here.
I'm not sure.
On Washington, you would have seen horses on one side, way.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
That's the English coolie?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know where it went besides, I guess I only knew where it ran through on campus.
Yeah, then finally goes into the Red River.
Okay. Do you sample that one?
I didn't sample, I just did the ORP and TDS.
Okay.
Yeah, probably 6. It passed halfway mark.
Yes, I would say so. Yep.
And what do we do again?
So you'll zero it out.
Oh yeah.
And then I feel like I would forget to zero it out if I wasn't reading directly from the instructions. And then you put the powder in and then shake vigorously for 10 seconds and then gently inverting it for 50.
50 seconds.
Mhm.
Now it's zeroed. You can zero it again. Yeah. Take this out. Yes, we have the funnel. Oh, this is coming up. Yeah, medium. 0.01. Wonder what it is. I'm expecting this to have more because all those bird droppings and everything.
Right. Is this man-made or is it?
Yeah, Kelly's slough is, the slough is like what people, but now it's part of the fish and wildlife, but at one time, for agriculture they make these sloughs. Slough is like a gate, and you see the gate, it was on our left when we were down there.
Mhm.
They open the gate and send more water.
Oh, okay. I see. When they need to drain.
Yeah, for
Fields or
agriculture,
anything?
yeah.
Okay.
And supply fields and control water, especially when it's dry for irrigation.
Mhm.
Those are there. Looking at the blue then. We kind of yellow. So now we just shake it for 10 seconds.
Yep. And then stir it like that for the rest of the minute.
Shaking it.
Yep.
There's a timer here.
Mhm.
0.01 for the Red River.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just so we don't get mixed up.
Now timer. Now we can work on this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go back and wash them. I have another bottle. I go get it.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot that we collect the waste.
What did I do last time?
I'm not sure.
Just rinse this. Almost 42 seconds. You're almost getting there. Then so we're doing the ammonia, which takes 10.
10 mils. Yes.
And this is Kelly's slope. lot of rainwater, so it got diluted a lot. Guessing. And the agriculture, the fertilizer is only put in the early part of the summer. So they got in the water before.
Maybe midsummer it would be running through the waters.
But
The runoff would be.
yeah, in the summer, yeah. So many times it rains. Each time it rains,
reagent A, and then you'll shake it, and then 4 drops of each.
1, 2, 3. This is easier than the other place.
Oh yeah, it's a little less windy today too, that helps.
And B. 1, 2. We in 0 is it?
Oh, yes. Do you want me to grab another curvette and
Yeah, we
put
can.
10 mils in?
Yeah.
You can. Oh, see, I wasn't reading right from the
No, it's okay.
directions.
Yeah, I mean.
I did exactly what I said would happen. Oops.
That's okay because most of the time the cuvettes read very close to each other.
Mhm.
That's okay. This is the one. Zero. What happened here? Huh.
Not entirely sure. Is that?
Got very turbid. This is the turbidity.
Not from what I saw on the zeroed
Yeah.
curvette. Yeah, wow. Is that part of the reagent?
That's causing.
It's causing the.
Earlier it didn't cause any turbidity, but I'm wondering whether this is a turbidity based test. I don't think so. And time. Wait. Oops. Then got that one out. Thank you.
You're welcome. I can zero out with this.
Uh,
Well, I guess we would need 6
yeah.
mils.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll do it this time. The follow the rule.
Right, right.
Maybe this will have a little bit of nitrate. So.
Yeah, I'm curious to see.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're fine. I don't think any of it hit me.
I'm going to get some laminated, the instructions laminated So,
Oh,
in like
good
a
idea.
card, yeah.
Yeah, for the ones that you use all the time.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Then it'll last a little
Yeah.
longer.
I have PDFs of these on my computer, but it's a nuisance to have it.
Mhm.
Then this one goes in here, the used one. Take a new one. See, it's cheaper to buy one of those small, there are tiny photometers which I have for nitrite, like this size. So it's cheaper to buy one of those photometers, and then you get 2 of these free. If you buy 4 of these, they cost like $20.
Oh, wow.
So you buy that anyway. Those meters are like $50. So
Oh, that's worth it.
yeah. Then
Then 6 mils of Kelly Slough.
So right, doesn't matter if it's more because I don't know why they want 6. Maybe because the meter needs to. I mean this powder you need to shake it a lot.
Right.
So you need a little bit of room in the cuvette.
Well, that would make sense.
Yeah.
We can zero that.
Oh yeah, we need to zero it. Thanks.
Sorry.
Zero. Now we add. So turbid it might go out of range. .31. That's quite a lot compared to the other.
Make sure. There we go.
Thanks.
And I think the range was 0 to 10, if I remember right.
10 is very high for natural water to have. It's like a wastewater treatment pond.
Oh, wow.
Which is, it's a wastewater treatment pond for the ducks.
Technically, yeah.
So, you remember the parameters you used to check at the Air Force?
Right now, since we get all of our water from the city, we send our samples into their lab.
Yeah.
But we just do phosphate, chlorine, pH, just for fun or quality control, I guess.
Yeah, phosphate. No, you said chlorine.
Chlorine as well, yes. Yep.
Chlorine, yeah, they would do because the water in the Air Force needs for chlorine disinfection. Make sure the water is.
Yeah, so we just take, mainly it's chlorine and pH, just to see if the numbers run similar to the report we'll get back from the city of Fargo every month.
Chlorine is needed because to make sure the people are drinking, other they get diseases.
And was the other amount 0.01 for that one?
Yeah.
For the, that's a big difference.
You have to see which one had ammonium? This?
That one. Yes.
I think this one also should have ammonium. Did they say the type of method they use? Tungsten lamp, absorption of the AC energy. Nestle method. The The reaction between ammonia and ray causes a yellow tint in the sample.
Hmm.
Yes. No, this is...
That was when it looked really turbid. It didn't really look yellow, I don't think.
Yeah.
Not to me, at least.
Unless now it has turned yellow. Wait, now the tin is there. No, time. And continue. See what it looks like with yellow. Wait, it has turned a bit yellow, but it has turned
slightly. Yeah, that's very strange.
When I used to do it, it just turned blue. This.
I wonder if they
You can put a
have
different
reagents.
Yeah, it's like the type of organic molecule you attach it to. Now these were red in our method, which we used to use for seawater. And the organic molecule which it attaches to gives it the color. So you can change the type of organic molecule you are attaching into. So that will give you different color. So since these people are, proprietary and they have their secrets, they won't tell you exactly what it is.
Right.
So that's why you have to do quite a lot of. Now I'll have to make different. I'll have to make ammonium in different concentrations, and then add this reagent and see if it's giving the
titrations of a sample, or
no, I'll make.
Okay.
No, I'll weigh it out, like ammonium chloride.
Oh, I see.
To
Okay.
get milligrams per liter, I'll weigh it out. I've done it already for those soil tests. I'll send it to you.
Okay. So different amounts of the reagent.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, sorry, the
liquid.
No, the active, the parameter we are measuring for.
Yes. Now I understand.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So I'll make 1 milligram per liter, 5 milligram per liter, 10 milligram per liter, and then I'll add these reagents into it, and it should come as plus, for the 10 it should come as plus 10, for the 1 it has to come as plus 1, for 5 it has to come up as 5. If it doesn't, then you know that this instrument is off calibration or something wrong with it. So,
are you able to calibrate these at all, or
you have to buy the standard from them, which is costing another $50 or something like that. So you rather.
That's how it goes.
I'd rather have a photometer which you can. You make your standard curve. You make 1, let's say 3, 5. 10, and then you get an absorption and the milligrams on. You get a linear.
Curve.
Yeah, a linear, and then from the then your unknown, you see the absorption and
on that's handy. I remember doing stuff like that in
analytical chemistry.
Analytical chemistry.
Yes, very good.
I enjoyed that. Yeah.
So for nitrate also, I did that the same thing. I'll send it to you. I did it the standards for the soil test.
Okay.
They have different reagents, so I wanted to see approximately how much parts per million or milligrams per liter each color will match to. So I made the standards, and then I put the reagent of the soil in it, the soil testing reagent, and I have a PDF of it, so I will send that to you. You can see. For hydroponics, I have a friend, a Mennonite friend. He lives up close to Grafton. You know Mennonite?
Is it kind of like Hutterite, Amish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a lot of. Now, this weekend also, I'll have to tell them that I can't come because I have to fix my car. Because I've been working Saturday and Sunday. But they.
Do they not use electricity like
Amish
do?
They don't use. They don't have TV. They don't have radios. But they have cell phones and.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Huh.
Kelly Slough. There's a lot of ammonium. Huh. There's a lot of ammonium. Surprising that they didn't have any nitrates. But maybe in a couple of days, the ammonium will get oxidized, and you'll see a lot more nitrates
That'll
there.
spike
Yeah.
more.
Because maybe, it'll. The ammonium needs to get oxidized. But I question